this video, I will show you some examples of flow fields. I'm using the customer table from Business Central. To create a flow field, you need to set the field class property of your field to FlowField. And then you can specify how you calculate the value of this field with the property calc formula. In the first example, you can see a calculation for the balance field, which uses a sum calculation, a sum of the amount of detailed customer ledger entries, where the customer number of the detailed customer ledger entry table equals the field number of our customer table itself, together with some extra filters. The global dimension 1 filter and global dimension 2 filter and the currency filter are all fields of type flow filters. They can get a value at runtime from the end user and use this within this calculation. If we look at the second example, the number of invoices field is using a count instead of a sum, where the document type equals a constant invoice. Document type is an option field, and this formula also filters the cell to customer number equals the field number of the customer table. Then, in the third example, we have another calculation formula for the comment field. This time, we're using an exist, and exist will return a value of type Boolean, so true or false. These are the three different examples of flow fields, each with their own calculation formula. So, the values are not stored in the database, but calculated at runtime.